You know, like they don't have like a numbers to say like fermentation always 5 days. It's all the time checking. Every single production, they're always checking, tasting. By just checking how the mezcal is coming, and they know what they need to do. So that's the magic in the mezcal, and that's also like what makes mezcal so unique.
What's so unique about tequila is the agave. That's number one. It is the most unique crop in the spirit industry. Number two is that it's still so very linked to its country, its culture, its history and heritage. And the flavor. Nothing tastes like agave spirits. The first time I came to Mexico and got to feel and smell and touch and started to become part of this industry, I immediately felt this, like almost an urge that I need to show this to all the other people who are interested in spirits. I felt it was like my job to share my Mexico with all of them. And I think that's when these expeditions were born for the first time. First meal, and finally we gathered. Yes. So this I want to say welcome again to Mexico, and I'm really, really honored to get this opportunity to show you around what I like most in the whole world.
And it's too hard, so fucking hard to hold on. Yeah, son, and oh, there's no white horse, and you leave me no other choice but to run.
The short story on how any agave spirit is produced is just 5 steps, but it's of course more complex than that. First, it's the agave growing on the fields or up in the mountains, and then when you harvest the agave, it's the cooking of the agave that turns the starch into sugars, and then it's pressing the agave to extract the sugary juices, and then it's fermenting the juices and turn the sugars into alcohol. And then it's distilling into or tequila or mezcal. Those are the 5 steps.
We need to say thank you, and we say dishbe again as a part of the gratitude. So let's say dishbe as a feeling. Dishbe. Dishbe. Just a little bit. Dishbe.
I can talk about it so much and I can show pictures, but you won't get it until you come here, until you see the agave fields, until you get all the smell and get to feel it and get to feel the culture, not only the culture surrounding the distilleries or the producers, but the whole culture of Mexico. The bars, the people, the markets, the roads, the noise, the colors, everything. It goes so deep.
Said I would learn to love the space. And I'm curious who I'll meet next. Who among them I will love best. That depends upon the context. Doesn't it? Doesn't it?
No, I just wanted to say, because this is the last night we have together, so I hope you all had a good time, and I hope you all get a little piece of Mexico to take home, because I know I will. So thank you so much for this.
Hey guys, click here if you want to learn more about European Bartender School, Or click here if you want to watch more videos. Oh. Cheers!